Okay, Matt and Doug here at the Belleville Via Station.
This is gonna be a good one.
We're going diving for shipwrecks today.
Yar, yar.
We're going to the Scuttle Hole.
Ooh.
Got the mics?
Is this one mine?
Yeah, baby.
Let's do this.
All right, let's do it. Oh. Wow, there's caves everywhere. It's like a little swimming area. We should go around the other side. This is crazy.
Drop.
Yes! Face my fear!
All right, this is paradise.
This is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
This is my moment. If it's bubbling, your fish is gonna steam and won't get crispy. The proteins won't caramelize. Yeah, dude, great. The matometer is off the charts.